If you're looking for an opening that's aggressive, sharp, and used by world champions, then you're about to meet your new best friend, the Sicilian defense, Najdorf variation. First move, pawn to e4. White grabs space in the center, standard opening theory. Black replies with pawn to c5. This is the Sicilian defense. Instead of symmetry, black immediately goes for imbalance. Knight to f3, pawn to d6. Black solidifies the e5 square, preparing knight development. White plays pawn to d4. Black captures with pawn takes pawn. Knight takes back. Center opens up. White gains activity, but black is ready to counter. Knight to f6, knight to c3. Both sides continue developing, but now comes the magic. Black plays pawn to a6, the signature move of the Najdorf. It stops any knight jumping into b5 and prepares for queenside action. White plays bishop to e3. Black responds with pawn to e6. A solid setup. Black is getting ready to bring out the light-squared bishop. Pawn to f3 by white. Bishop to e7 by black. White is preparing a kingside storm. g4 and g5 are coming. Black, calm and collected, develops cleanly. Queen to d2. Black castles kingside. Now white makes a bold decision. White castles long. That's right, we've got opposite side castling, which means one thing: a race. White attacks on the king side, black strikes on the queen side. Knight to d7 by black, and white starts the push. Pawn to g4. Black responds instantly. Pawn to b5. Here we go. Both sides start launching pawns toward the enemy king. Strategic insight time. White's plan is clear. Push g5, launch the h-pawn, maybe bring the bishop to h6 and force weaknesses. Black, on the other hand, wants to play b4, develop the bishop to b7, and eventually break the center wide open with pawn to d5. Why the Najdorf? This opening has been used by legends: Bobby Fischer, Garry Kasparov, even Magnus Carlsen. It's not just theory, it's firepower. And this is only the beginning. If you want to master the Najdorf and dominate the middle game with black, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video, where we show you exactly how to break white's attack and strike back like a grandmaster.